Welcome back to our green haven. It's July, and you might think it's too late to start planting. But guess what? It's actually the perfect time to get those hands dirty. Today, we're diving into 15 amazing crops you'd be silly not to plant, whether you've got a big backyard or a tiny balcony. There's something here for everyone. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's jump right in. All right, let's kick things off with our first crop. 1. Basil. Number 1 is basil. Basil is a superstar in the kitchen and thrives in the summer heat. It's quick to grow and perfect for those tasty summer salads and homemade pesto. Plant it in a sunny spot and you'll have fresh leaves in just a few weeks. 2. Tomatoes. Next up, we have tomatoes. I know what you're thinking, tomatoes in July? Absolutely. With the warm weather, tomatoes will flourish and give you juicy, delicious fruit. Choose quick maturing varieties and you'll be harvesting in no time. 3. Zucchini. Zucchini is a must plant in July. These guys love the sun and grow rapidly. They're versatile in the kitchen, perfect for grilling, baking, or even making zucchini noodles. And trust me, you'll have more than enough to share with friends and neighbors. 4. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are another summer favorite. They grow like crazy in the heat and are fantastic for refreshing salads and pickles. Pick a spot where they can climb, and you'll have a cucumber jungle before you know it. 5. Beans. Let's talk beans. Whether you choose bush beans or pole beans, these guys are easy to grow and fast to produce. They're a great source of protein and perfect for adding to summer dishes. Just give them a trellis to climb and watch them go. 6. Peppers, hot or sweet. Peppers are a great addition to your July garden. They thrive in the warm weather and add a punch to any meal. Plus, they come in all shapes and colors, making your garden look vibrant and fun. 7. Carrots. Carrots might surprise you. They can be planted now for a fall harvest. Choose a deep container or loosen the soil well to give them room to grow. In a few months, you'll be pulling up sweet, crunchy carrots. 8. Radishes. Radishes are the speed demons of the garden. They mature super fast, sometimes in as little as 3 weeks. Plant them now, and you'll have a quick snack to add to your salads and sandwiches. 9. Lettuce. Lettuce isn't just for spring. Planting it in July can give you a fresh crop for late summer. Choose heat-tolerant varieties and keep them well watered. You'll have crisp, fresh leaves to enjoy when the cooler weather arrives. 10. Spinach. Spinach loves the cooler ends of summer. Plant it now and it will be ready to pick as the weather starts to cool down. It's perfect for smoothies, salads, and even cooked dishes. 11. Beets. Beets are not just for the root. Their greens are edible too. Plant them now and you'll enjoy both the leafy tops and the sweet, earthy roots come fall. They add a lovely splash of color to your garden and your plate. 12. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a resilient green that thrives in the heat. It's colorful and delicious, great for salads, sautés, and more. It keeps producing even if you cut it back, so you'll have a continuous supply of fresh greens. 13. Herbs, thyme, oregano, mint. Don't forget about your herbs. July is a great time to plant thyme, oregano, and mint. They're hardy and love the sun. Plus, they add amazing flavor to your dishes and drinks all summer long. 14. Okra.
Okra is a heat-loving plant that grows tall and strong.
It's perfect for those summer stews and even frying up for a crunchy snack. Give it plenty of space to grow, and you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. 15. Squash. Last but not least, let's talk squash. Whether it's summer squash or winter varieties, now is the time to plant them. They'll grow vigorously in the heat and provide you with plenty of delicious fruits. So, 15 amazing crops you should plant right now in July. Your garden will be bursting with life and color in no time. Remember, it's never too late to start planting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!